Programmatic has been very important for our business. It's a good supplement to our direct media sales departments. It has increased our effective CPM, and it has been going in the direction of making the advertisers more direct to the customers.
With programmatic buying, you can buy the user and you can control your frequency. I rather have the right user and the right exposure instead of thinking price. 80% of all our digital buying is RGB. The last 20%, that is content.
You could say it's kind of a media big bang. 20 to 25% of all revenue going to the industry is going programmatic.
It's becoming broader, it's becoming mainstream, but there's a lot of issues that needs to be addressed. There's a lot of knowledge gaps between what we know, our clients know, and our publishers, or the people that we buy from. And I think that having a common understanding of that and getting a common frame of reference is going to be key for the next year.
Our sales department were quite afraid of the RGB movement, but now they actually see it as a way of an understanding that we can make much more money and increase the usage of our inventory. We need to follow the market, we need to follow the technology.
It's all about actually making the connection with the media agencies or the buyers that want to buy your inventory.
We see an increasing percentage of the budgets from our advertisers moving in that direction. The main role for direct deals, private deals in the strategy that we've chosen is to make sure that we get the quality of inventory for our advertisers.
It's about getting the right message in front of the right user at the right time and obviously at the right price. And I think that that is going to influence a lot of other media types as well. It's going to be TV, radio, outdoor. So what we're doing right now is sort of a pioneering work where we try to set up sort of programmatic elements and then saying that this audience in this circumstance is what we want to target, and then we'll spread it across other media types as well. Mobile is sort of a dark horse because it's inconsistent data, so I can actually prove to my clients that it works.
It's not that mature, the market in mobile and video yet. Perhaps next year or the year after that we'll see much more programmatic buying in video.
Video is very powerful, and video will drive a lot of revenue from instance, TV, traditional TV advertising to the video format.
Our struggle is to get the clients to understand that RGB is always on strategy. It's going to be integrated in all digital campaigns.
In 2015, one of the key areas is going to be how we actually use the data. Not just for buying purposes, but also for understanding our audiences better, so we can actually become better in buying. So every time we buy something, we become more clever and can do better the next time.